Hi everyone and welcome back to the PlantStock channel. If we haven't met yet, my name is Jesse. As of late, I've posted several videos about high-profile influencers putting their attention and focus on the Tattooed Chef company and what positive news that is for the company, since they have really needed to get into that spotlight, getting more attention. It is a great company with a lot of potential, but it has been falling through the cracks. That is changing now, as we know. Well, to keep up with the recent theme, I have yet another influencer on the table for you. However, this is a YouTuber who has a very different and incredibly more experienced background than most, with connections to Wall Street. We're soon going to get into it, what this means for all of us, investors, and more. But first of all, I just want to give a shout out and say thank you to Abdullah for bringing this to my attention in the Tattooed Chef Facebook group. And guys, if you aren't part of it yet, make sure you join the group. It's called the Tattooed Chef Shareholders TTCF. It's soon reaching about 5,000 excited members. It's a great bunch in that group with great spirit, and I really appreciate the admins in this group. They're quick to respond, and I find them very helpful, like many of the members, and I appreciate that. But before we get to it, please feel free to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel if you want more news and analysis on the Tattooed Chef company and other plant-based companies. This will really help the channel grow and reach more people. I really appreciate you guys. Let's take a quick look at the stock chart. As I mentioned in yesterday's video, the chef is up about 23% in the last 5 days, which I do believe is related to the fact that it's getting way more attention now from different high-profile influencers. And this apparently is only the beginning. Now, why am I so excited about this latest influencer showing interest? Well, it is a YouTuber that just recently started making videos, and I have been part of his journey since the really early days. He started a couple of months ago with only a few subscribers to soon skyrocket to the moon with almost 230,000 subscribers. I have never seen such a rapid increase in subscribers in such a short amount of time, especially not in the investment space. That really stands to show that this guy brings a lot of value to his followers. So who am I talking about? His YouTube name is Stock Moe. So what is it that makes him stand out so much, in my opinion? Well, beside the obvious fact that he is quite seasoned in comparison with a lot of YouTubers out there. That is something that I appreciate, considering that at times I have felt that I must be one of the older ones in the investment space. A lot of people that do have YouTube channels in the investment space seem to be under 30, and that doesn't necessarily have to be a bad thing. Several of these individuals do tend to be quick studies and do have a lot of value to offer. They also have a lot of energy that I imagine make it easy for a lot of viewers to tag along with that youthful spirit. However, there is something to be said about having had the opportunity to been able to have walked this earth for a longer period of time. And soon, guys, I will get to the reason why this might benefit us as investors in Tattooed Chef. Like I said, being young doesn't have to be a problem per se, but it could be in regards to some aspects. Most of them haven't lived through a real bear market, like 2008 to 2010, or even further back in the beginning of the century. Especially not as active investors. Stock Moe has seen it all and profit from it, and when he did, he was actually a real financial advisor. He has over 20 years experience at Wall Street. He is actually academically trained in this very field. This was his professional career and livelihood for many years. The last couple of years, he has worked as a teacher, teaching investment. He has won 2 national championships and 15 state championships with his students when it comes to investment. Guys, let me know down in the comments, what are your thoughts on this? Have you seen many others in YouTube with this kind of experience, especially in the investment field? So how does this benefit us investors in the chef? In my last video, I talked about the need for institutions investing more into the chef and what an even huger impact that could have. But that means that Wall Street needs to open their eyes more. And with a former coworker that was very successful, according to himself, this could be the very thing that gets their attention. Meaning institutions will wake up and smell that scent, the scent of a spring day morning, that fresh plant-based opportunity. But I think there is more than that. Yes, Stock Moe has several times stated that he has several connections in different industries and obviously also on Wall Street. And this might lead in the long run to more institutions buying in. I do believe that a lot of several older and seasoned investors who are drawn to Moe's vast experience and who respect him for working all those years at Wall Street will also view Tattooed Chef as an opportunity and will make their move. Normally, I do believe that older generations of investors wouldn't really be that interested in the plant-based investment space, but Moe could have helped change that. So what is his opinion on the Tattooed Chef? He does state that it is one of the best growth stocks to keep an eye on in 2021. Granted, in this latest video of his, I'll link it down below, he doesn't really say that much. But he states that in terms of fundamentals, and if you want to get into the plant-based sector as an investor, he believes that the Tattooed Chef would be the lowest risk, especially in terms of revenue and price. He believes that this stock would give us the biggest bang for a buck. Even though he didn't dig deeper into the company and did a larger analysis, I still think it is encouraging that he now highlighted the stock and company, since it seems he is going to add it into his growth stock portfolio, meaning that he will more than likely keep covering it. Guys, that was it for today. I hope you found some value in today's video, and if you did, make sure to smash that like button. And if you want to keep getting more info on Tattooed Chef and other plant-based stocks and companies, make sure to subscribe. As I'm sure that you're familiar with now, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just a teacher and historian. These are just my own thoughts and ideas. Do with them as you please. Hope to see you soon. Peace out.